The drone industry has witnessed rapid advancements over the past few years, with manufacturers pushing the boundaries of technology to deliver more powerful, efficient, and user-friendly devices. Among these, DJI has consistently been at the forefront, setting new standards for what drones can achieve. The DJI Mini series, in particular, has garnered widespread acclaim for its blend of portability, performance, and affordability. As we approach the anticipated release of the DJI Mini 5 Pro, the excitement within the drone community is palpable. Leaks and rumors have begun to surface, hinting at a device that could redefine what we expect from a compact drone. In this article, we delve into the most credible information available, exploring the potential features, specifications, and innovations that the Mini 5 Pro might bring to the table. A glimpse into the future. What to expect from the DJI Mini 5 Pro. 1. Design and build quality. The DJI Mini series has always been lauded for its compact and lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue this tradition, maintaining a sleek and portable form factor that easily fits into a backpack or large pocket. Recent leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature a redesigned airframe with reinforced arms and improved aerodynamics. This design overhaul aims to enhance flight stability and reduce wind resistance, allowing for smoother and more controlled flights in various conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of vented motors is rumored, which could improve heat dissipation during extended flight sessions, thereby enhancing overall performance and longevity. 2. Camera and imaging capabilities. One of the most anticipated upgrades in the Mini 5 Pro is its camera system. Previous models have offered impressive imaging capabilities for their size, but the Mini 5 Pro is set to take things to the next level. Leaks indicate that the Mini 5 Pro will be equipped with a 1-inch sensor, a significant upgrade from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. This larger sensor promises improved low-light performance, greater dynamic range, and sharper image quality, making it a formidable tool for aerial photographers and videographers. Furthermore, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to support 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, allowing for smooth and high-resolution footage. HDR capabilities are also rumored, enabling the capture of more detailed images with better contrast and color accuracy. 3. Flight performance and battery life. Battery life has always been a critical factor for drone enthusiasts, and DJI has continually worked to improve this aspect with each new release. The Mini 5 Pro is anticipated to offer significant enhancements in this area. According to recent leaks, the Mini 5 Pro could achieve a flight time of up to 50 minutes on a single charge, surpassing the 34-minute flight time of its predecessor. This extended battery life would provide users with more time to capture stunning aerial footage without the need for frequent recharges. In terms of range, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to boast a maximum transmission distance of up to 25 kilometers, allowing for more expansive flight sessions and the ability to explore greater distances. 4. Advanced obstacle avoidance and safety features. Safety is paramount when operating drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to incorporate advanced obstacle avoidance systems to ensure secure flights. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will feature omnidirectional sensors, providing 360-degree coverage to detect and avoid obstacles in all directions. This enhancement would significantly reduce the risk of collisions, especially in complex environments. Additionally, the inclusion of LiDAR, light detection, and ranging technology is rumored, which would enable the drone to create precise 3D maps of its surroundings, further enhancing its ability to navigate safely and autonomously. 5. Intelligent flight modes and AI integration. DJI has been at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence into its drones, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to continue this trend with advanced intelligent flight modes. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature improved subject tracking capabilities, allowing it to follow subjects more accurately and smoothly. This enhancement would be particularly beneficial for capturing dynamic scenes and action shots. Other anticipated AI-driven features include automated flight paths, gesture controls, and enhanced return-to-home functionality, all designed to make flying the Mini 5 Pro more intuitive and user-friendly. 6. Connectivity and transmission technology. Reliable and stable connectivity is crucial for drone operations, and the Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer significant improvements in this area. Leaks suggest that the Mini 5 Pro will incorporate DJI's latest transmission technology, potentially offering enhanced signal strength and reduced latency. This advancement would result in more responsive controls and a more stable live video feed, even in challenging environments. Additionally, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to support 5G connectivity, enabling faster data transmission and improved real-time video streaming capabilities. 7. Pricing and availability. As with any new release, pricing is a key consideration for potential buyers. While official pricing has not been announced, industry experts speculate that the Mini 5 Pro will be priced competitively within the market. The base model is expected to be priced around $799, with higher-end packages, such as the Fly More Combo, potentially reaching up to $1,099. These packages are anticipated to include additional accessories like extra batteries, propellers, and a carrying case, providing added value for users. The Mini 5 Pro is rumored to be released in the summer of 2025, with availability in key markets shortly thereafter. Conclusion. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a groundbreaking addition to the Mini series, offering significant upgrades in design, camera capabilities, flight performance, and intelligent features. While much of the information remains speculative, the consistent leaks and rumors point towards a device that could set new standards for compact drones. For drone enthusiasts, content creators, and professionals seeking a portable yet powerful aerial tool, the Mini 5 Pro appears to be a promising option. As we await official announcements from DJI, the excitement surrounding the Mini 5 Pro continues to build, and it will undoubtedly be one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2025.